Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by locking in essentials: 3 heals, full stamina, and lightning resist gear if you have it. Move straight to Yotei base camp and fast travel to the frozen ridge waypoint to save time. Once there, scout the northern shrine marker on your map. That's where the first NPC and a chest spawn. Approach at dawn to reduce enemy patrols and make the initial climb smoother. This early tempo prevents unnecessary fights and positions you to trigger the sword's spawn mechanics quickly and safely. Once you've reached the shrine, trigger the event by luring and defeating the 2 spectral guards within 90 seconds. That timing unlocks the sealed gate. Use charged heavy attacks to stagger the larger guard and bait their spells with well-timed dodge rolls, then punish while they recover. After the gate opens, descend into the cavern and follow the faint lightning rune trail on the floor. It leads you past traps and toward the altar chamber where the sword's spawn conditions are checked. Keep stamina management tight to avoid interruptions. At the altar, perform the interaction sequence. Place 1 lightning hymn, stand fully on the central sigil until the animation completes, then claim the sword when it appears. This precise order satisfies the spawn check. Skipping steps prevents the drop. If the lightning sword fails to appear, leave the area and wait 3 minutes or reload your last save, then repeat the sequence. The spawn is scripted and often resets with a zone reload. Once obtained, save immediately and equip resist gear before testing its shock effects in combat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.